Good afternoon, everybody. Kind of behind here. We had a setback a few days ago after we got the fuel tank and all in. She just died 2 days later. Driving up here to the shop. Checked pressure, all the normal things. Had fire with the starting fluid. So we got it down to, pulled out the fuel pump, and the little hose between the fuel pump and the fuel line was split in half. Cheap fuel line supplied with the new pump we put in. So we put in some reinforced fuel injection hose for now, and I'm going to get some submersible. But in the meantime, waiting for that, we did a few things on the hot rod. Oh, we have the dash out being fixed. We just replaced the steering wheel, so we have a horn so we can get inspected. Replaced the center plastic piece. Replaced the console piece. Replaced the dash piece. That's all new plastic. These door covers, I'm still waiting on them to show up. Put in a new mirror. Replaced all the screws with new screws, so everything looks good and pretty. But we're working on the dash. That was one of our projects today. And the dash is here. I don't know if you can see it good in the sun, but we went back with some new coat of gloss black plastic paint. Those look kind of pale in the sun, but they're not. They're a light black, so they look a lot better in the car than they do sitting here. They look kind of funny. But we haven't needed a dash anyway. But the main thing we did is more clear coat repair. Just a reminder, this is what we're dealing with all over the car. Clear coat coming up, peeling away. We're doing one panel at a time. We did the rear panel a week or so ago, and since then it's dirty. It's been raining. We did that panel there. You can't really see it in the sun. The shadow is going to be a bad light, but you can see this door needs fixing too. We just did the hood. You can see that shine off of it. I'm going to get away from this side of the sun, make me see a little bit better. It's been in our downtime, we were sanding and getting this smooth and fixed. But finished the hood. That was 2 cans of clear and 4 cans of paint. We have a few spots we need to get out. I don't know if you can see them here. We'll go back and sand those out, because we're going to color sand everything when we're all done, and then polish it up and get all the orange peel out. A little bug stuck in my car there. So that's the update. It has been raining here, so the tires look filthy. Still have to do the bumper, 2 doors, and the rear bumper. That's probably 3 cans of clear and 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 cans of red, and we'll have the whole car done. But I must say it does look a lot better. If I can, I'll drop a picture in line here what it used to look like. But it looks beautiful. No more peeling, all one solid color. We put about 4 coats of red after we got it sanded down. Went back with 400 over the whole and get everything nice and smooth. Take out any rough spots that we thought we got all out. And then we shot 3 coats of clear on top of it. So that's the update. And The steering wheel we put in is one we bought and wrapped it and just got in the horn kit. The kit was all messed up. I can see the previous steering wheel here. This place is a mess. This was the old one. You see the wrap was just totally disintegrated off the top of it. And somebody, I don't have the horn clip here, someone jerry-rigged the horn contact plate, and when I was taking off the hub, it broke their jerry-rig, and it took me 2 weeks to get a new contact plate in, but it's in today. So in the last few days we've got a lot accomplished. Got her running again. She will flat smoke the tires now. Found a loose plug wire on 8 and plugged that in. It smoothed everything up. Now we have a nice pretty hood, and the interior is coming along. I'm going to hold off on the carpet for a while, and the dash is getting fixed up. So one step at a time, that's where we're at. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Visit the web page. I put more detailed information on the website with more pictures and stuff that I don't have videos of. So thanks again. See you next time.